Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Westpac bank statements for tax purposes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download your Westpac bank statements, what you need to do first is just simply head over and open up your Westpac application, and then be sure to be logged in with the customer ID and password. And then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is just simply select one of the accounts that you currently have from your account section, and once you are there, what you need to do is select the option statements, or you can just tap on the search bar, then type in statements and then simply select the statements option. And once you're inside there, all you gotta do is select the account, and then once you're inside the account, simply select the transaction or statements that you want, and then once done, choose the statement period you need from monthly, quarterly and annually, and then simply click on download and use PDF format, and lastly save it to your phone or save it directly with your accountant via email or secure app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.